Hey guys, Will here at a property we just closed on. This one has about a $20,000 renovation budget, so it's by no means a light rehab. Just wanted to take a minute to walk through it with you guys, show you kind of what we saw and what needs to be fixed, then give you a little taste of the process and show you the finished product right before we move a tenant into the house. So let's get started. The roof is not in great condition. You can see, physically see the moss growing on it. You can see the issues. Obviously this tree, it's fall right now, but when there's leaves, that's gonna cause a lot of damage. So that's a good way to know if the roof's in bad shape. If you come over here with me too, you can see the soffit kind of fascia area, not doing great. So there's some costs, you know, going in. This house is probably not in the best shape on the inside if it's not taken care of on the outside. So here, first thing when we walk in, we see the electrical panel. It's definitely outdated. You know, it's got tubes. That's something you're gonna need a professional to come look at, see how much it's gonna cost. Plumbing and electrical, you know, always have the professionals come in. And of course, here's another example of a bathroom that's in really bad shape. Not sure how, but looks like water damage, maybe from the roof, maybe from the shower, has caused this to all collapse. Definitely need to replace the drywall, definitely need to check out everything up there, make sure it's not too wet. And then you're gonna need to pretty much replace, you know, a lot of this just because of all the water that got in here. Important to take account of is deferred maintenance. You can see this nasty stuff on the wall. You can see kind of the drywall coming in here, whether that's from a leak from the roof, I don't know. Definitely gonna need some patching. You can see the roof has been kind of poorly patched with tape. Another big issue, water damage. It's gonna be very evident in the house. You can see the mold here. Not clear if the roof's leaking, not clear what's going on, but obviously it can cause a lot of damage to the wood in the house, can drip all the way into the floors. Hey guys, so we just finished renovating the house. Just wanted to take a minute and walk through the inside with you. So in here we did carpet, paint. We really made this room really nice, really livable, bright, open. These bedrooms were a mess, so we put new carpet, new paint, new light fixtures, make them really safe and comfortable for these kids that are going to be living in here. So the bathroom we had to do a full renovation on. We really made this pretty nice. I think the tenants are really going to like this bathroom. So the cabinets we were able to save for the investor here. And the kitchen floor, we were actually able to save too. So we saved a lot of money, got the appliances coming in today, and then this one will be pretty much ready to go.